Quick demo on setting the squelch on your BK radio. Sorry about my hands. I was working on pipes yesterday, so I'm not the best hand model. So this channel is just popping in and out, and it's weak, but I want to be able to hear it. So I'm going to hit the menu and find the squelch adjustment. Hit enter. Going to hit adjust. And I'm going to just adjust all channels, because a lot of times they're down here or right here, which there it's starting to come in, but it still goes away up to about 10. 9 or 10 is where I recommend firefighters set their squelch. So I'm going to hit that and escape back out. And now, even with the signal strength meter is just 1 bar, 1 or 2, it's solid now. Now I have a channel that has got interference on it. This one here. You can see I have the monitor turned on, and that's why we're hearing it. Normally, you wouldn't hear it. So I'm going to set this one so it's not stopping. If you were to be scanning, it would keep on stopping on this channel to check to see if it's got the right tone on it. It's tone protected, so if you're scanning this group, it would just, like, every time it come around, it would stop on that channel. So I'm going to go menu, squelch adjust, and I'm just going to adjust the selected channel. And I'm going to set it down here real quick. I think it's coming out of or I can make it go away by touching the pins here. But anyway, so it is coming out of the radio. I'm going to set it down to like 3. So it'll take a big signal for this to break squelch, but you'll see no longer the signal strength meter is not showing it. The interference is still there, but you're masking it by adjusting the squelch. See, if I hold the monitor down to open up the squelch completely, it's still there. So if you have one channel in one of your zones that is always flickering, first thing I recommend is you hit the monitor to see what the heck it is. It could be co-channel, somebody else using the same frequency, or it could be interference in your environment. And the biggest culprit I see is these gas station chargers that people charge their phones with. You know, you pay $8, you might kill a guy. You know, buy the OEM chargers and just test. If you got interference or degraded signal, that weather channel is my go-to without pulling out test equipment to see what's interfering. I'll go to a weaker weather channel and just kind of wave the radio around what I suspect. LED lighting, all the electronics that are in the vehicles. And you'll see the signal strength pop up if you hold the monitor, or if you're on the weather channel. If you're on the weather channel, it doesn't use tone, so you don't have to monkey with that, but you can zero in on what's causing the interference. And if you can't fix it, you could mask it by adjusting the squelch on that specific channel that's giving you havoc. So that's the tip of the day. Have a good one. Be safe out there.